हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल से. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ आवर बुकलेट इज this is question number 38 of our assignment. Question number 38 is the slope of tangent to curve y is equal to 0 to x dx upon 1 plus x cube at point where x is equal to 1 is a part half, b 1, c 1 by 4, d none. The slope of tangent to curve at point where x is equal to 1 is this one. Now यहाँ पर पहली बार इंटेग्रल यूज हो रहा है, सो इसके लिए हमें इंटेग्रल की प्रॉपर्टी आपको मैं रिपीट करूंगा एक बार. इंटेग्रल की प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है? द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज यहां पे मेरे को चाहिए द स्लोप ऑफ ए टेंजेंट टू द कर्व. से दैट प्रॉपर्टी इज important property number 1, dy dx of integral of fx. Suppose किसी इंटेग्रल को हम dy dx करते हैं and then what does it mean? We will get it fx. What we conclude from here, यहां से हम conclude करते हैं differentiation and integration are inverse of each other. Now ये तो हो गया indefinite की प्रॉपर्टी. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2, इन केस यहां पर सपोज लोअर लिमिट भी कुछ दे रखी हो, अपर लिमिट भी दे रखी हो, उस केस में डी बाई डी एक्स कैसे करेंगे? जैसे मैं एक क्वेश्चन लेता हूं डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ इंटेग्रल ऑफ एफ एक्स, और नीचे मैंने लोअर लिमिट ले ली ए एक्स, अपर लिमिट ले ली इंटेग्रल की बी एक्स. इसका फार्मूला होगा इट इज एफ ऑफ बी एक्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ बी एक्स, एफ ऑफ बी एक्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ बी एक्स माइनस एफ ऑफ ए एक्स डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ ए एक्स. f of bx d by dx of bx minus f of ax d by dx of f of ax. This property will be applicable over here because हमें यहाँ पे चाहिए the slope of a tangent to the curve. मतलब slope तब आएगा when we find out dy by dx. मैं इस प्रॉपर्टी को रब कर रहा हूं. Now this is a question dy by dx. इसको किया डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x. यहां पे आ गया डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 0 टू x dx अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स क्यूब. यहां पर अब मैं क्या करूंगा, x की जगह रिप्लेस कर दूंगा. इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन एक्स क्यूब डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ x and minus it comes out to be 0. So dy by dx is equal to, this comes out to be 1 upon 1 plus x cube. So the slope of a tangent to curve at point where x is equal to 1. हमें पूछा गया slope at x is equal to 1. That means dy by dx is slope. dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1. This comes out to be 1 by 2. The answer comes out to be a part. So slope of tangent to the curve is 1 by 2. So question number 38 का a part is option. A is the right option. अब मैं ले रहा हूँ, आई एम टेकिंग इट. The next problem is, it is 44th problem of our booklet is, this is the distance between origin and normal to curve. And normal to curve y is equal to e the power 2x plus x square at point whose abscissa is 0. The distance between origin and normal to the curve at point whose abscissa is equal to 0 is A 1 by root 5, B it comes out to be 2 upon root 5, C 3 upon root 5, and D is 2 upon root 3. Now this is a problem. The distance between origin and normal to the curve. So normal to the curve के लिए क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे पहले एक कंसेप्ट, पहले हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे नॉर्मल टू द कर्व, फिर यहाँ पर मैक्सिमम मिनिमम का कंसेप्ट यूज होगा. इट कम्स आउट टू बी, सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी dy by dx. सबसे पहले dy by dx, इट इज 2 इंटू ई दी पावर 2x प्लस 2x. किस पॉइंट पर? whose abscissa is 0. तो हम क्या लेते हैं? let 0 comma y1 lies on y is equal to e the power 2x plus x square. यहां से हम y की वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. It is y1 is equal to e the power 0 plus 0, it comes out to be 1. So it comes, this is 0 comma 1 lies on 0 comma 1 lies on y is equal to e the power 2x plus x square. That means अब हमने क्या निकालना है? हमने निकालना नॉर्मल एट किस पॉइंट पे? इट कम्स आउट टू बी एट पॉइंट 0 comma 1. Now dy by dx is equal to, this is 2 e is 0 plus 2 into 0, it comes out to be 2. This is the slope of tangent and it is equation of normal. Equation of normal will be y minus 1 by 2 into x minus 0. Cross multiply it, I'll get it 2y minus 2 minus x minus 0. It comes out to be x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is our equation of normal. Now clearly we have been told, हमें बोला गया to find the distance between origin and normal. So distance between origin and normal, it is a shorter distance. Shorter distance क्या होगा? Say we find out it is, that is equal to, this is, we can say perpendicular distance is the shorter distance. Origin, I just take it like this way, this is a line, x plus 2y minus 2, this is OM. The distance between origin and this line is equal to 0 plus 0 minus 2 upon, it comes out to be 1 plus 4, this is equal to 2 upon root 5. So distance between origin and normal to this curve, it comes out to be B part. So 44th question ka B part is the right option. This is question number 36 of our assignment. Question number 36. The question is, the point या points on curve the points on curve y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4, at which tangent passes through origin. Is A option we have minus 2 comma 2, B option we have been given out 2 comma 2, C option we have given it is 2 comma 14, and D option is none of these. So the points on the curve at which tangent passes through the origin कैसे निकालेंगे? उसके लिए टेंजेंट के लिए हम क्या निकालेंगे? सबसे पहले स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे? डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स. dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 3. किस पॉइंट पर निकाल रहे हैं? At x1 y1. This is dy by dx is equal to 2x1 plus 3. This is the slope of a tangent at point x1 y1. Now equation of tangent is at x1 y1. Y minus y1 is equal to 2x1 plus 3 into x minus x1. It is now, the thing is, the points on the curve, the important thing is I can say यहाँ पर the point, say point x1 y1 also lies on y is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4. इसका मीनिंग हुआ, I can say this thing, this is y1 is equal to x1 square plus 3x1 plus 4. y1 is equal to, this is equal to this one. Now in place of y1 I can substitute this value. It comes out to be, this is y minus x1 square minus 3x1 minus 4. This comes out to be, this is equal to 2x1 plus 3 into x minus x1. Now this is the equation of tangent. It passes through, it comes out to be, this tangent passes through origin. This tangent passes through origin. The meaning, हम x की जगह और y की जगह क्या पुट कर देंगे? 0 0. 0 minus x1 square minus 3x1 minus 4. This is equal to 2x1 plus 3 into 0 minus x1. It comes out to be minus x1 square minus 3x1 minus 4. This is equal to minus 2x1 square minus 3x1. It comes out to be x1 square minus 4 is equal to 0. The value of x1 will come out to be plus minus 2. Now we have to check out both the options. It is y1. पहले 2 पुट करके देखते हैं. It is 4 plus 6 plus 4. It comes out to be 14. So I can say 2 comma 14 satisfied. Now I'll check it minus 2. It comes out to be, it is y1 is equal to, this is x1 is equal to minus 2. It is 4 minus 6 plus 4. y1 comes out to be what? It is 8 minus 6. It comes out to be 2. That means it is minus 2 comma 2. That means 2 points satisfied. One option is A and another option is C. So the rightful answer of this question should be it is A and C both. अब हमने किया क्या? I'll explain it once again. The equation of tangent के लिए I've differentiated simply. उसके बाद एक point मैंने अपनी तरफ से ले लिया at x1 y1. Then equation of tangent I got it x1 y1. This is the equation of tangent. Now this point also, this is x1 y1 lies on this curve and it comes out to be y minus this one. In place of y1 I'll substitute this value. This tangent passes through origin. We have been given this thing. तो हमने क्या किया? X की जगह 0, Y की जगह 0 पुट किया. We find out the x1 अब सीसा. x1 की दो वैल्यूज आई, y1 की दोनों वैल्यूज आई, दोनों वैल्यूज गिवन है. So the right answer of this question number 36 is it is A part as well as C part. Both it is A and the C is the right option. Normally AEEE में दो ऑप्शंस वाले क्वेश्चन नहीं आते, but this is a special question which has two options. Now I am coming to next question. It is a question number 40th of our assignment is question number 40th. The value of x. The value of x for which tangent to curve the value of x for which tangent to curves y is equal to x cos x, y is equal to sin x over x are parallel to axis, are parallel to x-axis, are roots of respectively. For option we have been given out sin x is equal to x, tan x is equal to x. B option we have cot x is equal to x, comma secant x is equal to x. C option we have cot x is equal to x, tan x is equal to x. D option we have tan x is equal to x, and it comes out to be cot x is equal to minus x. Now the question is, it is tan x is equal to x and cot x is equal to x. Now the value of x for which tangent to the curve it is are parallel to x-axis. What does it means? I find out dy by dx. Dy by dx is minus x sin x plus cos x. Now if tangent is parallel to x-axis, if tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. I can say minus x sin x plus cos x is equal to 0 and x sin x is equal to cos x. This is the answer of first, or I can say x is equal to cot x. So the right option is either B or C. Now I'll go for second because respectively they are क्या dy by dx. dy by dx क्या आ जाएगा? Here it is quotient rule apply करेंगे, x into cos x minus sin x into x over x. Now tangent to curve it is since tangent is parallel to x-axis. Since tangent is parallel to x-axis, 0 is equal to x cos x minus sin x over x square. X cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. x cos x is equal to sin x, and I can say it is x is equal to tan x. So पहले वाली कर्व का आंसर आ रहा है इट इज x इज इक्वल टू कॉट एक्स, सेकेंड वाली कर्व का आंसर आ रहा है tan x इज इक्वल टू x. सो द राइट ऑप्शन ऑफ क्वेश्चन 40th इज सी पार्ट. इसमें एक बात का ध्यान रखना, उन्होंने स्पेशली एक वर्ड, बिकॉज इफ यू लुक अपॉन द डी ऑप्शन दैट इज सिमिलर वन, tan x इज इक्वल टू x प्लस cot and cot x इज इक्वल टू x. बट यहाँ पे हमें लिखा हुआ है दीज आर द रूट्स और रिस्पेक्टिवली, मतलब पहले वाले का रूट क्या है, इट विल सेटिस्फाई cot x इज इक्वल टू x. सेकेंड वाले का क्या आएगा, इट विल सेटिस्फाई tan x इज इक्वल टू x. सो 40th का सी इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नाउ लेक्चर के शुरू में मैंने आपको बताया था व्हाट आर लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट, लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल, लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट एंड लेंथ ऑफ सब नॉर्मल. इनके फार्मूले याद रखने बहुत जरूरी हैं. सो एक बार मैं फार्मूले डायरेक्ट लिख रहा हूं, इनकी एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस लेक्चर में कर चुका हूं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट कम्स आउट टू बी इट इज लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट, it is length of tangent लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट का जो फार्मूला हमने एज सच याद रखा हुआ है दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट इज इक्वल टू इट इज y कोसेकेंट थीटा. लेंथ ऑफ टेंजेंट इज y कोसेकेंट थीटा. y कोसेकेंट थीटा को हम ऐसे सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं y इंटू 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा, और आई कैन से फाई इंटू tan स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन tan थीटा, और tan थीटा की जगह हम वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, इट कम्स आउट टू फाइव y dy by dx the whole square plus 1 upon dy by dx. Now second thing I am coming to length of normal. Length of normal is it is y secant theta. It is length of normal. Length of normal होता है this is equal to y secant theta. It is y into secant theta. The value of secant theta will be 1 plus tan square theta, or tan theta we know that this is y into square root of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. This is length of normal. Now the next thing it comes out to be our, it is length of subtangent. Length of subtangent is length of some subtangent is y cot theta. That means I can say it is y dx upon dy. And finally it is length of subnormal. This is equal to y tan theta, or I can say y dy by dx. So this is the formula for length of subnormal. Now I am coming to questions based on this subtangent and subnormal. सबसे पहले I am coming to question number 41 of our booklet is question number 41. The length of subnormal subtangent the length of subtangent to ellipse. The length of subtangent to ellipse x is equal to, this is equal to a cos t, y is equal to b sin t, at t is equal to pi by 4 is, this is A option is A, B option is B, this is C option we have B upon root 2, and D option we have A upon root 2. This is length of subtangent. So the convenient thing will be, हम ये फार्मूले डायरेक्ट याद कर लें तो हमारे लिए काफ़ी इजी हो जाएगा। जैसे इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हम क्या लिखेंगे, डायरेक्ट इसके एप्लीकेशन लगाएंगे। लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट इज, length of subtangent is y cot theta. Length of subtangent is y cot theta. It comes out to be now cot theta. This is cot theta, or I can say theta यहाँ पे बन जाएगा y dx upon dy. अब इसके लिए हम क्या निकालेंगे, हमें पैरामीट्रिक फॉर्म में दे रखा है, तो हमें गिवन है x इज इक्वल टू a cos t. टू गेट dy by dx या dx over dy, पहले हम करेंगे डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू t. Differentiate with respect to t, it becomes minus a sin t. Now I'll take it y is equal to b sin t, dy by dt is equal to b cos t. Now it comes out to be dy by dx is equal to, this is dy by dt into dt upon dx. Now मैं वैल्यू पुट करने जा रहा हूं, I got it b cos t into minus 1 upon a sin t, or I can say dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a into cot of t. dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a into cot t. That means यहाँ पे हमारा जो लेंथ ऑफ सब टेंजेंट बन जाएगा, दिस इज y इंटू a upon minus b cot t. Now this is the length of subtangent st. Now I proceed it. This is at t is equal to pi by 4. Now we have been given at t is equal to pi by 4, and it comes out to be, उससे पहले y की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. I will say subtangent is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to b sin t. B sin t a upon minus b. It comes out to be cos t into sin t. This is equal to b, and b will be cancelled out. Subtangent, this is equal to sin t sin pi by 4 into a sin pi by 4. It comes out to be minus cos pi by 4. This comes out to be, यहाँ पे बन जाएगा, this is subtangent is equal to, this is a upon 2 upon minus 1 upon root 2, or subtangent is minus a upon root 2. This is our subtangent, but हमें क्या निकालना है, the length. The length is always taken it modulus. Subtangent की जो length होगी, it will be a by root 2. So the right answer is D part. So the important thing is, सबसे पहली चीज जो याद होनी चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स को, आप बच्चों को, कि लेंथ ऑफ सबटेंजेंट का फार्मूला यू शुड रिमेंबर इट. इट इज y cot थीटा. नाउ y cot थीटा के बाद y dx ओवर dy. x की वैल्यू हमारे पास है, y की वैल्यू फाइंड है हमारे पास है, वी फाइंड आउट dy by dx. नाउ यहां पर y की वैल्यू पुट कर दी, dy by dx की वैल्यू पुट कर दी. And subtangent comes in terms of t, but t we are given as pi by 4. We find out the subtangent is a by root 2, or you can say 41 ka D is the right option. Now I am coming to the next problem of our this subtangent and subnormal, and the question is, it comes out to be Question number 43rd. Question number 43rd is, for parabola y square is equal to 16x, the ratio of for parabola y square is equal to 16x, the ratio of length of subtangent to the abscissa is, A option is 2:1, B option we have been given 1:1, C option is x ratio y, D is x square ratio y. For parabola y square is equal to 16x, the ratio of the length of subtangent to abscissa is. Same formula, the length of subtangent is. The length of subtangent is, it comes out to be, it is y cot theta. It is y cot theta. Or I can say it is y dx upon dy. Now the length of subtangent is, it is y cot theta. नाउ सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे, हम सबसे पहले निकालेंगे डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 16x, डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, इट इज 2y dy by dx, it is dy by dx is dx upon dy, this is equal to y upon 8. dx upon dy is equal to y upon 8. Now हमें बोला गया it is subtangent. Subtangent is, this is y. Y I can say it is root 16x, and dx over dy, this is y upon, it is 8, or I can say it is 4 root x. What is y? Again it comes out to be root 16x, this is 8, this comes out to be your what, it is 4x into 4 upon 8, and subtangent it comes out to be 2. So it is subtangent, it comes out to be your 2. This is, I just find out subtangent, we have to find out subtangent, y की वैल्यू आ गई root 16x and it is y. Now हमें क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया, and it is subtangent to x, it is y cos theta, subtangent to x, this is equal to, this is y square, I can say here it is x, this is x, this is 2 upon x, I can say 2 upon x, this comes out to be, this is, I make it correct, it becomes 2x, so 2x upon x, it comes out to be 2. So 2, that means subtangent is equal to 2:1, and A part is the right option. हम टेंजेंट नॉर्मल में लास्ट लेक्चर में सब टेंजेंट एंड सब नॉर्मल के बेस पर अपनी बुकलेट के कुछ क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे, उसी से रिलेटेड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं ले रहा हूं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 ऑफ आवर असाइनमेंट. Question number 14 of our assignment is the length of subnormal to curve x is equal to a theta plus sine theta, y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta at theta is equal to pi by 2. At theta is equal to pi by 2 is four options we have been given out 2a. It is a into root 2, c a by 2, d a by root 2. The length of subnormal to the curve at theta is equal to pi by 2. Now it comes out to be, it is dx upon d theta, dx upon d theta a. सबसे पहले हम सब नॉर्मल के लिए हम निकालेंगे dy by dx, dx over d theta डिफ्रेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू थीटा, यहां पे बन जाएगा 1, साइन थीटा का बन जाएगा cos थीटा. नाउ वी फाइंड आउट dy by d theta. dy by d theta is a 1 का 0, cos थीटा का क्या बन जाएगा, इट इज माइनस cos थीटा का बन जाएगा sin थीटा. नाउ एज सच हम क्या निकालते हैं, dy by dx. तो dy by dx will be equal to what? This is dy by d theta into d theta upon dx. This is a sin theta upon a, 1 plus cos theta. This a and a will be cancelled out. Now, सबसे important thing है, it is, now we also know some of the formulas. Sin theta का फार्मूला बन जाता है 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. This will be cancelled out. Now dy by dx is what? Tan theta by 2. dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to tan theta by 2. मेरे पास ये रिजल्ट आ गया. Now सब टेंजेंट, सब नॉर्मल, टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल का हमें रिजल्ट याद होना चाहिए, मैंने पहले बोला. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ सब नॉर्मल. I make it confirm from here, it is question of subnormal or normal over here. ये मैं गलती से क्वेश्चन में 14 में सब नॉर्मल लिख गया हूं. मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछा गया व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ ए नॉर्मल. नाउ द लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल इज, it is y secant theta. The length of normal is y secant theta. Clearly, I can say y secant theta 1 plus tan square theta. The meaning here theta. Here I do write down this theta and this theta is entirely different. Here mind में रखो dy by dx is equal to tan theta. That means it is y into 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Now what is y? Y की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है, इट इज a 1 minus cos theta and dy by dx, it is 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. I can write down tan square theta by 2. Now this is a 1 minus cos theta, I can write down 2 sin square theta by 2. Now 1 plus tan square theta by 2. This is, I can say it is secant square theta by 2. And this will be equal to what? लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल इज इक्वल टू ए 2a साइन थीटा बाय 2 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय 2 अपॉन कॉस थीटा बाय 2। नाउ द थिंग इज, हमें क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, इट इज लेंथ ऑफ सब नॉर्मल एट थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाय 2। ये हमारे पास क्या आ गया, लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल, लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल इज इक्वल टू, this is equal to 2a sin square theta by 2 over cos theta by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 2. This is length of subnormal, sorry, length of normal. Length of normal is 2a sin square pi by 4 upon, because theta की जगह pi by 2 पुट कर रहे हैं, it becomes cos pi by 4. This becomes 2a upon 2 into root 2a. This is equal to root 2a. The right answer we can find out, it is B part. इस क्वेश्चंस में दो तीन थिंग्स का हमें आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है। पहली बात का ध्यान रखना है कि लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल का फार्मूला क्या होता है। द लेंथ ऑफ नॉर्मल का फार्मूला होता है, इट इज y secant थीटा। बट बी रिमेंबर वन थिंग, दूसरी चीज जो इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग है, यहां पे ये थीटा अलग है और ये थीटा अलग है। ये थीटा जो सा है वो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, यहां पर हम सीकेंट थीटा का मतलब ले रहे हैं जो tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू डी वाई बाई डी एक्स। आई कन्वर्ट इनटू tan एंड tan थीटा की मैंने वैल्यू पुट कर दी। नाउ वी प्रोसीडेड विद dx over d theta, dy by d theta. We find out dy by dx, it comes out to be tan theta by 2. Now length of normal is y secant theta, it becomes 2a sin square theta by 2 over cos theta by 2. 2a sin square pi by 4 cos pi by 4, answer comes out to be root 2a. So 14 question ka B part is the right option. Now after question number 14, I am coming to the next problem. This is question number 15. Again, question number 15 is based on subtangent and subnormal. Question number 15 is, if relation between subnormal SN डिनोट किया हुआ है and subtangent ST at any point S on by square is equal to x plus a the whole cube is P subnormal is equal to Q ST the whole square, then P ratio Q is, four options we have 8b upon 27, B option we have B, C option 1 and D option is none of these. Now these options we have been given out. Now we just try to go for it. Relation between subnormal and subtangent. तो सबसे पहले subtangent का फार्मूला क्या होता है? The subtangent का फार्मूला होता है, it is y cot theta, that is y dx upon dy. Now the formula of subnormal, this is y tan theta, this is y dy by dx. Now clearly I can say one thing over here, it is, this is P Sn, it has been given this relation. सबसे पहले हम dy by dx निकाल लेते हैं, by square is equal to x plus a the whole cube. Differentiate with respect to x. It is 2by dy by dx. This is equal to 3 into x plus a the whole square. This is equal to dy by dx. This is 3 into x plus a the whole square, 2by. dy by dx is this one. Now I come over here. This is equal to, हमें क्या बोला गया? We can say relation P into Sn. This relation has been given out. Psn into subtangent the whole square, P. It is Sn. Sub normal क्या आ जाएगा? It is y dy by dx. क्यों? Subtangent का whole square. That means subtangent का whole square y square into dx upon dy the whole square. This y and y will be cancelled out. I got it P into dy by dx the whole cube. This is q into y. Dy by dx. We have to find out now, substitute the values. P dy by dx the whole cube, it comes out to be 27 x plus a the power 6 upon 2by, it is 8b cube into y cube. This is q into y. Now I can say one thing over here. It becomes what it is. It becomes P 27 x plus a the power 6 upon 8b cube is equal to q y the power 4. Now y4 किसके equal आएगा? Using this relation. This relation we can say relation number 1 using 1. Using this relation, I got it what? It is, I can say, this is P 27 x plus a the power 6 8b cube is equal to q. Now y4 that means equal to x plus a the power 6 upon, it comes out to be b square, or this x plus a the power 6 will be cancelled out, b square will be cancelled out, p upon q is equal to 8b upon 27. P upon Q, this is equal to 8b upon 27. This ratio we had to calculate it. We can check it out and we can say the right option is A part. Now, अब इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है, तो मैं एक बार दोबारा एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या है? पहली बात आपको फार्मूले याद रखने. सेकेंड थिंग, हमने कर्व को डिफरेंशिएट किया. डिफरेंशिएट करके वी गॉट इट dy by dx is this one. Now the relation we have been given out P subnormal Q into subtangent the whole square. Now the subnormal is what? It is y dy by dx, and subtangent is what? Y dx over dy the whole square. Now dy by dx the whole cube into P is equal to q y. dy by dx जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया था उसकी वैल्यू पुट कर दी. I got this relation. I got it y4 over here. अब मैंने गिवन इक्वेशन को दोबारा यूज किया. मैंने क्या किया? इसमें से इसको स्क्वेयरिंग कर दिया. आई गॉट इट x प्लस a दी पावर 6 अपॉन b स्क्वायर. आई सब्स्टिट्यूट ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे जो p ओवर q की रेशियो आई है वो डेट इज 8b अपॉन 27. That means A part is the right option. This was question number 15 of our booklet. Now same category ka same question based on subtangent, subnormal, tangent, normal. I'm doing it question number 16 of our booklet. It is question number 16. The length of subtangent to curve root x plus root y is equal to 3 at point 4 comma 1. At point 4 comma 1 is A 2, B 1 by 2, C minus 3, D none of these. The length of subtangent. Now the formula of subtangent as we know is it is y cot theta. So the length of subtangent, is y cot theta. It is y cot theta means y dx upon dy. Now इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? I take the curve root x plus root y is equal to 3. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. I got it 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx. This is equal to 0. This is minus 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx. This is minus 1 upon 2 root x. Dy by dx is equal to minus root y upon root x. Now dy by dx is equal to minus root y upon root x. This is the slope of a curve. It is, I can say, dy by dx. Now what is y equal, say this is length of subtangent, I name it as st. Subtangent की short form मैंने लिख ली st. This is equal to y dx over y. This is y into minus x upon, it is root x upon root y. Clearly root y and root y, this will be cancelled out. We got it root y into root x. Subtangent is equal to minus of root xy. Subtangent is equal to minus of root xy. Now किस point पे बोला गया? The length of subtangent at point. Subtangent is equal to 1 into 4. It comes out to be minus 2. And subtangent in absolute value of subtangent will always comes out to be in modulus, that means 2. So A part is the right option. Simple logic. You should know the formula. We find out dy by dx. Subtangent का formula लगा दिया y dx over dy. We reaches over here. Subtangent is what? It is minus root x root y. At 4 1 substitute the values. I got it minus 2, but in modulus or in absolute term, the value of subtangent is, it comes out to be 2. Now the next question of, say, subtangent and subnormal, it is question number 37 of our booklet. Is the question is the sum of tangent and subtangent the sum of tangent and subtangent at any point on curve y is equal to a log x square minus a square varies as it comes out to be a part, a option we have, Absisa. Then B option we have product of coordinates. C option is ordinate. And the next option is D option, we have none of these. The sum of tangent and subtangent at any point on the curve. The tangent, this is question number 37th. Now tangent. Tangent, the sum of tangent matlab length of tangent is equal to, it is y cosecant theta. Y cosecant theta, I can say it is y 1 plus cot square theta, or it comes out to be, this is y dy by dx the whole square plus 1 upon dy by dx. Now this is tangent and then subtangent. It is y cot theta. It is y upon dy by dx. Now it comes out to be, say, dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x given curve. This is a given curve. Dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to a upon x square minus a square into 2x. I can say 2ax upon x square minus a square. हमें पूछा गया the sum of tangent and subtangent. हमने टेंजेंट का फार्मूला लिखा हुआ है, सब टेंजेंट का फार्मूला लिखा हुआ है. I'll do it over here. It comes out to be y, टेंजेंट का फार्मूला क्या आ जाएगा, it is y 1 plus dy by dx the whole square, 1 plus dy by dx the whole square upon dy by dx plus it is y dy by dx. यदि हम रेसिप्रोकल ले रहे हैं, I can say y dx upon dy, I take it common. I am left with 1 plus dy by dx the whole square की value I can put it over here. It is 4 a square x square upon x square minus a square the whole square plus 1. This is s is equal to y. This is equal to y dx upon dy into, ये बन जाएगा, it comes out to be, it is x4 plus a4 minus 2 x square a square plus 4 a square x square upon x square minus a square the whole square plus 1. That means s is equal to, y is equal to a log x square minus a square dx over dy. It comes out to be x square minus a square upon 2ax This is another thing. And now it comes out to be, this is x square plus a square over x square minus a square plus 1. This comes out to be, this is s is equal to, this is a and a will be cancelled out, log x square minus a square into, it comes out to be 2x square upon, it comes out to be 2x. I find out this will be cancelled out. This will be, because x square minus a square, when we take the LCM, we got a 2x square, s is equal to this one. This is s. S we got it, it is 2, 2 will be cancelled out again. We got it x into log x square minus a square. Log x square minus a square का क्या मतलब हुआ? I reaches over here, I can say s is equal to x, it comes out to be y upon a, s is equal to xy upon a. What does it means? It means there some varies, we can say some varies as product of coordinates. Because यहाँ पे क्या है, xy over a is a constant quantity. So this is the right part is, it is our b part. मैं एक बार फिर explain कर रहा हूँ. The important part of this question is, this is the equation of a tangent. This is the length of tangent. I will say this is a length. This is length of tangent. This is length of subtangent. Now we have been clear out. This is a curve. For हमने find out कर लिए dy by dx. Now this is dy by dx. Now thus there sum. Sum we find out y dy by dx into 1 plus this dy by dx the whole square plus 1. dy by dx की मैंने यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर दी. I got it. It is a log x square minus x square. I just simplify the things. यहाँ पे बन गया, it is x log x square minus a square. log x square minus a square की इस रिलेशन से द्वारा वैल्यू मैंने वैल्यू y अपॉन a यहाँ पुट कर दी. सो अल्टीमेट एंड में हमारे पास सॉल्व करके आ गया s इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई ओवर a. दैट मीन्स, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, एज एक्स वाई चेंजेस सम चेंजेस, मतलब प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट चेंजेस, sum of tangent and subtangent also changes. So question number 37 ka the right option is, it is B part. Now the next problem I am taking it. This is a question I am taking it, rate of change of things. Rate of change of things, that is a point on the parabola. The question is, a point on parabola y square is equal to 18x at which ordinate increase increases at twice the rate of abscissa. A point on parabola at which ordinate increases at twice the rate of abscissa is. A option we have been given out 2, 4. B option we have been given out 9, 8, 9, 2. C option is minus 9 over 8, 9 over 2. And D option is 2, minus 4. Ordinate we take as is dy, abscissa को हम लेते हैं x. So it is, the question is a point on parabola. सबसे पहले मैं ले लेता हूँ, let x1 y1 is a point on y square is equal to 18x. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? I can say y1 square is equal to 18x1. Point on the parabola at which ordinate increases. It is differentiate with respect to x. It is 2y dy by dx is equal to 18. Ordinate increases as twice the rate of abscissa. यहां से इसका मतलब हुआ dy by dx is equal to 2. ये रिलेशन जो हमें गिवन है ये क्या शो कर रहा है? abscissa. It is ordinate increases at the rate of abscissa का मतलब हुआ it is dy by dx is equal to 2. So dy by dx is what? 2. That means 2y into 2 is equal to 18. It is y is equal to what? It is 9 upon 2. The value of y will come out to be 9 by 2. अब y मतलब this y1 we got it 9 by 2. Now we have to calculate abscissa. अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम इक्वेशन में पुट कर देंगे it is y1 square is equal to 18x1. 81 by 4 is equal to 18x1. And x1 is equal to what? 81 upon 4 into 18. 9 9 the 9 2 the. x1 it comes out to be 9 by 8. So the point it comes out to be 9 by 8 comma 9 by 2. इस क्वेश्चन में जो एक पार्ट समझने वाला दैट इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग. इस क्वेश्चन का क्या मीनिंग है? ऑर्डिनेट इंक्रीजेज एट ट्वाइस द रेट ऑफ abscissa. इसका मतलब है dy by dx. ऑर्डिनेट मतलब dy. It increases with respect to x is equal to 2 times. That means dy by dx is 2. फिर हमने क्या किया? वो पॉइंट इस कर्व के ऊपर भी लाई करता है. I have taken it this relation. अब differentiate with respect to x. I got it y1 is equal to 9 by 2. ये वैल्यू मैंने इस रिलेशन में पुट कर दी. I got it x1 is equal to 9 by 8. Now x1 is 9 by 8. Y1 is 9 by 2. So the right option is B part.